Hey everyone, it's Amy and Happy New Year's! So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I did my New Year's nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Madam Glam's Perfect Black. And I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky, ring finger, as well as my thumb. And then for these nails, I actually had you guys vote on my Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, go give me a follow. It's at Amy's Nail Addiction. If you were already following me, yes, it was called something different before. It's the same Instagram, I've just changed the name, so you should still be following me. But I had you guys vote between a rainbow sparkle or more of a frosty blue sparkle, and the rainbow sparkle won. So I'm going to be using Light Elegance's I Need Attention, and it is this gorgeous rainbow sparkle, and I'm going to put this on my middle finger as well as my pointer finger. Then I go ahead and do a second coat of both colors. After the second coat is fully cured, I go in and remove the tacky layer on all of the nails. And on the two glitter nails, I go in and just reshape a little bit just because that glitter gets a little bumpy. And now for the black nails, we're going to go in with some stamping. So I'll be using this gold metallic stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper. I'll put the number on the screen. Then the stamping plate we'll be using is Merry Christmas, My Dear. But I'm going to be using the snowflakes on the bottom here. There's lots of different sizes, which I love about this plate. And then I'll be using my Clear Jelly Big Bling stamper, and my scraping plate I like to use is actually this Young Nails scraper. So now I'm just going to go in and just start putting snowflakes on the black nails, and just really, that's it. Just stamping snowflakes in different sizes and just filling out the nail for the black nails. And I do want to point out that this gold stamps so well over the black, like it just looks gorgeous. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny, and I do go back in and do a second coat of top coat on the stamping nails. And here's how my nails came out. I feel like they definitely scream New Year's nails. They're black and gold, but also sparkly. Good way to ring in the new year. I've also gotten a lot of compliments on these, and the ones that get more compliments always shock me. Like, they're never my favorite ones, but yet a lot of people like them. I definitely think that if I had done silver snowflakes, it would have looked a little bit more cohesive with the glitter, but the gold definitely makes it look like it's New Year's, so it works. And then because I didn't write Happy New Year or 2021 or anything on them, this is a good set that it's good for New Year's, but it's also just good to continue wearing into January for winter, just because it's the snowflakes, so it works for both. Well, I hope you guys had a happy and safe New Year's. Hopefully this is a better year. Let me know down below what videos you want to see from me this year, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!